In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Yahoo Mail. Archiving is a quick way to clear clutter from your inbox without deleting anything. When you archive, the message moves out of inbox into the archive section, stays searchable, and can be brought back anytime. It's perfect for messages you've handled but may want to reference later. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. You should see the official Yahoo Mail link at the top of the results. Click that to go to the sign-in page. If you prefer, you can also type mailyahoo.com directly into the address bar to get there. Next, sign in to your Yahoo account. Follow any prompts to verify your sign-in, and once you're in, you'll land in your inbox. This guide uses the new Yahoo Mail view, which has a clean top toolbar and a left sidebar listing your folders like Inbox and Archive. Now decide which emails you want to archive. From the Inbox list, hover over a message and use the checkbox on the left to select it. You can select one or many at once to save time. If you want to review the content before archiving, you can click a message to open it. Opening it also selects it for actions using the same top toolbar. With your messages selected, look along the top toolbar for the archive icon. It looks like a folder with an up arrow. Click that icon. If a small menu appears, select Archive to confirm. Yahoo Mail will move the selected email or emails out of your inbox and into Archive. You'll usually see a brief confirmation or the message count in your inbox drop, which is a good sign the action worked. A few helpful tips as you go. To verify the move, check the left sidebar and click Archive. You'll see your messages there. Archived mail isn't deleted, so it still appears when you use the search bar at the top. If you change your mind, open the archive folder, select the message, and move it back to Inbox using the Move button, or drag it to the Inbox folder. When working in your inbox, you can select a whole batch by using the top checkbox to select all visible messages on the page, then click Archive to clean up in one go. If you don't see the archive icon right away, make sure at least one message is selected. Toolbar actions appear when there's something to act on. To recap, open Yahoo Mail in your browser, sign in, select the email or emails you want to tidy up, click the folder with up arrow archive icon on the top toolbar, and choose Archive. Your inbox stays clean, your messages stay safe, and everything remains easy to find.